Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix one of the annoying error in Chrome browser. Dangerous download blocked. I will show you the easiest method to fix this error.
Before beginning to this video, consider subscribing my channel for more tech videos.
Now let's come to the point. As you can see in my Chrome browser, I'm going to download this file. But my Chrome browser keeps blocking this download and giving this error, dangerous download blocked. No worries, we will fix this error. Click this three dots icon. Go to the settings. Then go inside this privacy and security settings. You will see these settings options. Then go to the security. Alright. Now this is the important step you need to understand. Okay? In this safe browsing setting, you may have turned the option Enhanced Protection or the Standard Protection. If any of these options enabled on your browser, then it will keep blocking the downloads. Simply here you have to check this option, No Protection, Not Recommended. But keep in mind, just enable this setting if you want to download any of your particular downloading file. And if you are quite sure that downloading file has no malware. Now we are trying to download that file once again. And now you can see that file has been downloaded properly without error. I hope this video really helps to fix this error. For more videos like this, stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching this video.